Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2013 Range Rover Evoque. It's a pure premium that's fully loaded, basically. It's white with light beige leather. Body's in beautiful condition. Has recently new tires on it. Fully detailed. This has the keyless locking. You can just touch the handle and it locks. The mirrors fold in. And when you want to open it, you just grab the handle. Opens up as long as the key's in your pocket. Power seats on both sides. They're both heated. This has the Meridian sound system. If you do some research on it, it's pretty amazing. As I mentioned, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, Bluetooth, automatic climate control. It's got the glass panorama roof with a power shade. Plenty of room in the back. Backup camera. Power tailgate. Comes with a rubber cargo cover. Leather's in real nice condition. Beautiful Range Rover. LED and Xenon headlights. Runs and drives excellent. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call and we'd love to discuss this vehicle with you. Thank you.